Is that a B?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Why Canada?
Because that's the only airplane name I know.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Canada. This for the outside of the plane. I put Stitch.
Is it a plane?
A rocket. I put him on a seat with a cup holder and some sparkles and some hearts, and he's looking out the window, and there's some green stripes, and it says Air Canada. It's a plane name from
Who is he?
Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. He's an alien. That's why I thought to put him on a rocket ship.
Oh, let's go.
There we go. All right, you ready?
Turns out my Stitch didn't turn up, but it's okay. I'm gonna put this right here so it can look like a rocket ship. The bottom head is not time to launch it.
And now I'm gonna aim it for you. So that way it goes.
Yeah.
Ready?
No.
The first try is unsuccessful, but we have to make the top part heavier. So we put a coin and a cotton ball, and then put it on again. Now we made a sword. Now it's time to put it on the top of the
Just a decoration and not a...
We're gonna see what happens.
We're going to step on the
You are welcome to do it again.
We'll wait.
Dr. Pepper bottle, and then we'll make air, and then we'll hold here, and then push this to make
If he wants to do another one inside.
It worked, and it's flying through the sky. It's gonna go from Canada to America. These kind of activities you can do in lots of libraries. This time we're doing this activity in the Mayfield Library. So if you go to a library and there's some activity. So you can come to the library, have some fun, and make experiments like these. I think that we're gonna try it outside, and I think that it might go farther, or it might hit a tree, or the wind will take it another way. That's what I think will happen.
Go.
This one went farther. Let's see if the second and the third hypothesis was correct. 3, 1, 2.
Oh my goodness! Wow!
My thinking was correct. It did went farther. Then we'll end the video. This time I'm gonna use 2 feet. I think it might go farther.
Let's try.
Oh! Amazing!
We're back home! And before we came, and since we drive home, or shall we say, I use my magic powers to come home, they gave us this summer learning box, and it says warning small parts inside, so like no babies here, so they were like, and then so we got this from the library. They told us to visit their channel website. I don't really remember. I think it was a website or a channel. But they told us to visit it and see the videos where it showed us how to make different kinds of experiments, like the one we just did. It's a STEAM exercise, that one. The rocket ship was pretty cool, and we're gonna open this box and see what it says. So here's an owl, because owls are smart, and here's some smart things here, and here's some summer learning, and here is warning small parts inside. So let's open. Oh my god, gosh, all the answers to the universe. Okay, so here is the paper. It's called the How to Use Kit, and here are all the things. We will read this after. And here are, 3 paper plates. Yeah, paper plates. Well, foam paper thing, plates. And 1 Play-Doh. What color is this Play-Doh? Is it yellow? It's yellow Play-Doh. Oh, it's pretty soft. Okay. Neat. Well, I haven't smelled the Play-Dohs in so long. Okay. Ooh, and some poster paints. I actually have some acrylic paints at home, but I don't have these paints yet, so. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be my new art present. Q-tips for art. Q-tips. Two packs of Q-tips, and each one of them has 5, so 10 Q-tips. We have a rubber band, a pencil. What kind of pencil is this? Mayfield Library. And then here's this kind of thing. I actually have this in my art supplies. It's used for like paints like these. I haven't tried it out yet, but I do have this in my coloring supplies. We have a plastic spoon, another rubber band. Where do I put this plastic spoon? Okay. Another rubber band. Some coloring supplies. Good, because I do need some coloring supplies. I already have like a full pack of coloring supplies. It has all the colors I need, but like some extra colors just in case. And some markers. What kind of markers are these? Oh, fine line markers. I thought it was a brush marker, but no, it's a fine line marker. Okay, fine line marker. Ooh, I actually have one of these in my art supplies. I have all these art supplies I got from Walmart. So here's one of this. It's a medium. Actually, not like after medium. Like not small, not medium. Like in between small and medium. It's like an in between small and medium brush. And here's some paper clips. Yeah, paper clips. I almost forgot. Some paper clips. Some construction paper. This is actually really nice because I don't have construction paper, but now I have construction paper. Yes. 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 It's sketch pad. I need this for sketching. This paper is so thin. I like this paper. This is my favorite one. I have a sketch pad. I don't have a sketch pad. I have a notebook and some art paper, but I don't have a sketch pad yet, so this is my dream. I love you so much. Please never run out of the papers. Okay. So I can't wait to do experiments with these. I'm pretty sure we can do lots and lots of experiments because we have all these supplies were free because they were a summer learning packet because, you know, it's summer, it's a day off, so we can do whatever we want, but sometimes work a little bit. So we got these for free in the Mayfield Library in Cuyahoga, right? I said it correct, right? Cuyahoga. And this was pretty amazing. Thank you for all these materials. I recommend you to go in there. It's pretty fun. They have lots of activities, lots of great books, and I just recommend you to go there. The people are very nice, and there's so many people there. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon.